This is these are Dipsticks. This one's for the transmission. This is for the engine. We're gonna switch these out today. Make them pretty.
You know what this is for?
Yeah, that's for that.
Do you know what it's for?
No, but you're gonna tell me.
This is to fill the tranny with. There's one in the glove box on the COE. You put this down. You take the dipstick out and put this down in there, the metal part. Then you can slip a funnel in there and fill it up. That's what it's for.
It's a whole lot of work just to put oil in.
Well, if you don't have a funnel that will fit
Tiny.
that hole,
Pretty tiny.
it makes it a lot easier. Well, this is a dipstick right here. But it goes down and back and then down. How we're going to mount it on there, I'm not certain yet. Over here. See right here. Well, they're using this as a wire loom.
Hey, don't mess with my loom.
Dave, you know that's going to be a bear to get out of there. That's a press fit. This dipstick tube is a press fit. They drive it down in there.
Yeah, there's only one bolt on that too.
But the mess comes in when you take that tube out.
Yeah, and then we gotta bolt it up here somewhere.
Smell down there? Okay. That's a good.
You got it.
It's pretty clean. Looks clean, yeah.
I'm trying to just get this dipstick loose. They're pressed in. See how it's pretty tight. I'm just gonna sit here and shake it until it loosens up a little bit.
Okay. I just set the drain pan so it would catch the fluid that's going to come out. If there's any coming out. Here we have a vintage oil tube for the transmission. Put it somewhere. See, that's why we got young guys around here, so they can tell us where the hell the shit is.
Yeah, Hunter.
Pretty close to being right on. Let it down. Give it something to. That right there?
That works.
We need to mark the holes. This ain't marking it real well. I think I got it out. Just took a little bit of
Elbow grease.
There you go.
You get it
That's all we had to do. Yep. Kind of flatten it out a little bit, but it's okay.
Yep, that'll work.
if it'll work.
Done. Voila. We want to mount this bracket on there to hold the dipstick in. See this bracket right here? Damn. There it is.
Well, how'd you guys think today went?
That's all right.
Good.
Just a couple simple little things. But
Yeah.
you know, it's just like the dipstick on the engine. You know, you learn how to loosen it up to get it out. I would clamp it and just made it loose so that way you can pull it out. Transmission was a lot easier
You know why it was easier?
because you did it.
Because I did it.
And then my side got easier when he took over. All right, well,
That's it for this week.
let's go home.
You grateful to be here?
Yeah.
You enjoying your time?
He's getting hair on his lip. Jeez. Oh my God.
No, he's hiding.
Yeah.
Pretty soon he'll have a Gillette.
His face is red.
Look how red he's getting.
He's so pink right now.
He's matching the El Camino.